We had to walk home because there was no bus.
Sue will have no trouble finding a job.
There were no shops open.
No reason was given for the change of plan.
How much money do you have?
None.
All the tickets have been sold. There are none left.
This money is all yours. None of it is mine.
How much luggage do you have?
None.
Or,
I don't have any.
none of the shops were open.
Or,
None of the shops was open.
What's going to happen?
nobody knows.
Or,
No one knows.
What happened?
nothing.
Where are you going?
Nowhere. I'm staying here.
The house is empty. There's nobody living there. We had nothing to eat.
I said nothing.
Jane told nobody about her plans.
They have nowhere to live. Nobody is perfect, are they?
No one did what I asked them to do.
Nobody in the class did their homework.
There was no bus, so we walked home.
You can take any bus. They all go to the centre.
What do you want to eat?
Nothing. I'm not hungry.
I'm so hungry, I could eat anything.
The exam was extremely difficult. Nobody passed.
The exam was very easy. Anybody could have passed.